How to create Spotify artist account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create Spotify artist account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, creating Spotify artist account is actually quite very simple. You can use the Spotify artist application, or you could simply open your browser and go to artist.spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. After you have done that, tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen here, and once you tap on the three lines option from the top right, over there you can simply go to the option called get access. So you want to make sure to just tap on the get access button that you can find there, and once you have done that, just make sure to log in. After that, just select the artist or manager option. Then after you have done that, just tap on the continue option to claim an artist profile, and once done, you will be able to simply tap on next and simply search for the artist that you are trying to claim. Then that's all it takes to go ahead and then create a Spotify artist account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.